This is a guided meditation for letting go of the hurt caused by other people. I'd like you to lie down with your feet extended in front of you. Let your arms relax by your side and the heels of your feet settle comfortably on the floor. Gently close your eyes. Allow your body to relax and get comfortable. Now, bring your attention and listen to any sound in the room. Identify the various sounds in the room. Now bring your attention back to your body. Let it relax, feel it soften, and allow it to settle down. Begin to take some deep breaths that effortlessly flow in and out of your body. Now, allow your breathing to take its normal breathing rhythm. Just let go, trying to control it. Feel the sensations as the air goes into your nostril, dropping behind your throat, and finally filling your lungs. Then, as it leaves your lungs, passes behind your throat and out through the nostril. Observe how effortless and seamlessly the air enters and leaves your body. If your mind begins to wander, observe that it is wandering and bring back your attention to your breathing. Continue to breathe in and out without asserting any control. Inhale and feel relaxation flow in your body. Exhale and release all the tension. Breathe in relaxation and breathe out tension. Become aware of your chest moving up and down with every cycle of breathing. Just notice how calm and relaxed your body is becoming. Watch your breathing and be attentive to it. If you notice you're drifting off, let my voice bring back your awareness to your breathing. Breathe in relaxation and breathe out tension. Now, bring to mind the person that you want to let go. This person may still be in your life or not. They may have hurt you recently or in the past, and you're no longer in contact with them. Now imagine him or her standing in front of you. This person makes you feel negative emotions such as anger, resentment, bitterness and hurt. And you want to let go of the pain in your heart that they have caused you. Direct your attention to your stomach and envision a silver cord that runs from your stomach to their stomach. Feel it connecting the two of you. Envision it pulsating as it gets energy from the connection. Now, imagine that you're holding a pair of scissors in your hands. Now take your hands towards the cord and notice as you cut through it. The cord may be tough and hard to cut, but you gracefully keep cutting until you cut through. Notice the cord break and separate. Feel the connection between two of you dissolve and feel the freedom that accompanies your detachment. Now, imagine a healing light surround the other person. Offer them your forgiveness, love, and blessings. Watch as he or she slowly walks away from you. Your stomach now feels relaxed. The bitterness and resentment that was making it to become tensed is slowly dissolving. You feel lighter, more peaceful and calm. Now, pull the remaining energy cord to your stomach and seal it with a yellow light. Remind yourself that you have all your energy back with you and that you're safe. Now, scan your body for any signs of heaviness left behind. Imagine yourself under a shower. Think of the water like a bright light and watch as it flows over your body. It's touching every part of your body, from your head to your toes. Let it cleanse your body of all the heaviness left behind. Now, move your attention to your chest and imagine a green light in your heart center. As you breathe in, the light expands and becomes bigger. As you breathe out, the heart releases all the tension. Keep breathing in and out gently as you allow the green light to dissolve all the tension and heaviness held in your heart. Let the anger, bitterness and resentment go. Release all the anger and grief you feel. Let go of all the loss and self-loathing. Let whatever energy that is not serving you go. You deserve to be free of all the anger and resentment. You deserve to be at peace and to experience joy. Continue to focus your attention to your heart. Allow the green light to become brighter and more vibrant. Let the green light expand far above and around you, forming an aura of protective and cleansing energy around you. Now bring to mind other people that may have hurt you, either recently or a while back. Allow them a few inches into your aura of green energy. Look around and see each one of them. Remain non-reactive as you look at each of them. Just become aware of their presence. Now repeat the following affirmations. I forgive you all that have hurt me. I forgive myself for holding on to anger. I let go all the anger, resentment, hurt, and bitterness I feel. I invite love and kindness into my life. The aura of green light continues to expand around you as the people who hurt you just walk away. Now visualize yourself living a peaceful and harmonious life. How do you feel? What does your everyday look like? How is your interaction with other people? Let the green light return to your heart center. Remember, it's always available for you whenever you need it. So become aware of your breathing. Notice your breath as it moves from your nostrils to your lungs. Notice the air as it leaves your body and finds its way back to your immediate surrounding. Continue to remain aware of your breath. Now gently wiggle your fingers and your toes and move your head from side to side. Become aware of the room you're in and the sounds in it. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Stretch your body a little bit and feel the new energy and bring it to the rest of your day.